Hi. Hi. Now that GATE 2021 is over, now you should focus on PSUs. So there are many PSUs which are recruiting through GATE, and there are some PSUs which are not recruiting through GATE also. But what I have seen is their notifications are not out yet. Okay. So the main PSUs that are recruiting through GATE are this. So DRDO, BARC, BIS, ECIL, and POSOCO, right? So these are the main PSUs that are recruiting through GATE, and they have very good salaries. So this time I heard that the number of vacancies are actually going to be increased. Okay, one thing. And the second thing is I also heard that the salaries are going to be increased. Okay, so the salaries are good, but even they are going to be increased. So it is worth a try. Even if you are going to do MTech in IITs, still you can give it a try, and then you can decide which way to go. Either you want to go to PSU or you want to go to masters. There are many students who have got seat in IISc, IITs, but then they left it for PSUs, and I have some interviews with them also. So I had some interviews and I posted them on YouTube. You can look at them. Okay, so now what I'm trying to say is, now that you have time at hand, don't wait till the notification. Start preparing for these exams. Okay, so I'm talking about people who have prepared for GATE 2021. Okay, so you can start right away preparing for these subjects. I'll tell you the syllabus, whatever is the syllabus of the last year. The syllabus is going to be same, and I'll tell you the process also, the process by which they are going to recruit. Okay, and you see what are the subjects that you have to prepare, and I'll also, from my end, I will start those courses. If there is anything extra for a particular PSU, I will make a short course on those particular topics. Okay, and for those who are preparing for GATE 2022, so don't wait till the last date. Okay, so don't wait till May, June, something like that. You can start your preparation right away. The sooner you start, the better it will be, because you will have a lot of time for revision. You will have a lot of time for test series and practice questions. Okay, see, GATE preparation is not just about watching the videos. It is about practicing the questions, test series, and revision. These are the most important things. And if you want to have a lot of time doing all this, then the best way is to start as early as possible. Okay, so for GATE 2022 people, you can start as early as possible, and you can register on Unacademy for my classes. And the code, if you use the code RRCS, you are going to get 10% discount on the fee. Okay, and this 10% discount is valid only for few more days, and after that it is going to be reduced to 5%. So if you want to start it right away, you are going to get maximum benefit. Okay, and just download the Unacademy app. There is a lot of free stuff available. I'm doing a operating systems free course on Unacademy platform for you to see how it feels like. Okay, just download the app and use the code RRCS and see how the course is. Then you can decide to buy. Okay, but my suggestion is, if you are serious about GATE, just start your preparation. Take the full course and start your preparation. Okay, and I'll discuss about each one of these one by one. I'll take each one of the PSUs, and I'll discuss about what is the syllabus and what can you expect, how is the recruitment, what is the salaries, everything I'll discuss. Okay, thank you. Hi all. So if you are watching this video for the first time, my name is Ravindra Babu Raula, and I'll be teaching all the subjects of computer science. Okay, and I have done my masters from IISc Bangalore. I was 2 times 2-digit ranker, not a great achievement, but yeah. And if you want my GATE classes, you can register on Unacademy app, and if you want 10% discount on whatever you register on Unacademy, use the code RRCS. Okay, so my code is RRCS. If you want the GATE classes, the fee is after discount, if you use my code, is 27,000 for 1 year and 39,600 for 2 years. Okay, so if you are from, let's say, second year then or third year, go for 2-year subscription. If you are in final year, you can take 1-year subscription. Now there are 2 kinds of packages available. So one is called Iconic. So let's talk about Plus first. So one is called Plus and the other one is Iconic. You can either go for Plus or Iconic. Now in Plus, you are going to get all the video lectures, doubt clearing, as well as test series, and lot of quizzes will be there. And coming to Iconic, you are going to be assigned a mentor, and he is going to mentor you in all the subjects, so either personally or related to subjects, and he will give you the study plan, and whenever you are demotivated or not doing well in the test series, he will help you out. Okay, it is kind of hand holding, so you can go for Iconic if you want a mentor. Okay, and generally these mentors are last year rankers who are already doing masters, or those who have already done their masters. Generally the rankers will be the mentors. Okay, so that is all about Iconic and Plus, and this you can register for GATE classes on Unacademy, or I will also be teaching competitive programming on Unacademy. If you want to register for competitive programming, you can register this same way, RRCS for 10% discount. Okay, and in future I'll be starting machine learning as well. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.